everybody, it's Miss Meghan from the Children's Room. Welcome back for another book talk this week. In honor of Hispanic Latinx Heritage Month, I wanted to tell you about a middle grade novel called Merci Suárez Changes Gears. It was written by Meg Medina and it is the winner of the 2019 Newbery Award. In this book, Merci Suárez is starting the 6th grade. But unlike a lot of her classmates, Merci attends her private school on scholarship, which means she has to do community service to earn part of her tuition. She isn't rich with a lot of fancy things or a big house, but she does live with a big and loving extended family, and she's trying to save up for a bike. She loves her family so much, but sometimes they drive her crazy. She always has to babysit for her unruly younger cousins, but the thing that worries her the most lately is her beloved grandfather Lolo. Lolo is the person that Merci is closest to, but lately he's been acting so strange. He's forgetting important things, he fell off his bike, he's getting angry for seemingly no reason. So why won't any of the grown-ups in her family tell Merci what's going on? Things at school are complicated too. When you add in an interesting new boy that Merci has to mentor for her community service, and negative attention from the class mean girl, and her ambition to try out for the school soccer team if Merci can just convince her mom to let her. And Merci starts to wonder, will she ever survive the 6th grade? This is a bittersweet coming-of-age story with a little humor and a lot of heart. It deals with some hard changes that come with growing up, but it also shows how strong the bonds of family can be. And it's a perfect read for Hispanic Latinx Heritage Month or any time of the year. And if you enjoy this book, I have some good news for you. You can look forward to a sequel coming next spring. The ebook is available on Cloud Library, or you can place a hold on a physical copy for our Curbside Pickup. Happy reading, everybody.